Hi everyone, Rob here from AWeber, and I have some awesome news for those of you just getting started with your small business or kicking off a passion project and need email marketing to start building your audience. We understand as you're just getting started, things might be tight financially. That's why we're launching a free version of AWeber for you to use for as long as you'd like. That's right, absolutely no credit card is required and there's absolutely no time restrictions. We're super excited to launch AWeber free for all of you. With AWeber free, you can create awesome looking emails and landing pages, engage your audiences using email automations, and even integrate AWeber into other business systems you might be using completely on us. Oh, by the way, if you need help or you have any questions, our award-winning customer solutions team's available to everyone 24/7 by phone, chat, or email. If you have content in other tools, we'll migrate it over to AWeber absolutely free with our free migration services. We're super excited about AWeber Free. It gives you everything you need to start growing your business today at absolutely no cost to you. So it's time for you to start trying AWeber today. It's powerfully simple, and now it's free to get started with no time restrictions. Thank you and have an awesome day.